Hey, how's it going? My name is Lonnie Welch, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, please hit the like and share button so we can make sure we can get this out to everybody. And from there, we're going to go ahead and get into what we're going to be doing today. So today, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the program that I'm backing, that I'm using, that I feel like you should be using as well, and it's called HBA. The Home Business Academy. And so we're going to go ahead and go into that page. And here it is. There's a link below that you can click, and then it will show you everything about the system. Basically, it's a funnel. There's two funnels that I know about. There's a few of them, but the main two for what we're using it for and the capabilities that this here funnel program has is crazy. There's another company called ClickFunnels, and if you know anything about ClickFunnels, it's all about taking massive amounts of leads and turning them into customers. And that's what I built my business on, and I know this works for it because I use this in another one of my business. So now I'm actually teaching it in this particular system. So we're just gonna go through it. Once you click the link, and it's in the bio here. Once you click the link, it'll take you over to this page, and you're gonna be able to watch the videos and see the whole program. With this program, it's a simple 3 steps, and they teach you how to use this system to make a full-time income. I don't like to come up with numbers because I think numbers get stuck in people's head. I'm more so about your lifestyle. So what I mean by that is if you just want an extra $1,000 a month, that might be what you need to change your lifestyle. If you want to blow it out of the water and make 10 grand a month, and that will completely alter your lifestyle, that's what you should be setting as goals in your head. And I'm going to be honest, you can achieve that with this system, but you have to apply it. Later on, I'm going to show you just a quick email of what I've used this system with, and it has did some very good things for my income, my lifestyle. So I'm hoping that it can do the same for you. And if you do join, I will be around. You can talk to me. I'm a real person. So anyway, so we're just getting 2 sales a month from this here, and you can start to make that snowball effect, getting yourself up to or beyond 100K a year. You're gonna be learning skills along the way, life learning lessons that's gonna really help you along. But we'll just keep going along. This is a community based program. Like the 2 guys that put this together, Paul and Mike, they are 100% behind their product. I've seen a lot of products, and you never see the people who run it. You never see the owners. You know their names, but you can't talk. With this program, I literally can talk to Paul, Mike every day if that's what I wanted to do. Like they're that accessible. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but they're that accessible for you to get to them, talk to them, and get your questions answered. And that's huge, especially if you're starting from a beginner, even or immediate or an advanced. We all have questions about things that we're trying to build and get better at. You literally have the access to these guys. They do calls in the morning. They do some stuff in the evening. They do stuff on Saturdays. Like, I personally, I'm like, I don't know how they do that much stuff, but they are literally on top of it. I'm going to continue down. This is stuff that you're going to be reading through. talking about income reports and different things like that. The one thing that I like about this program is you get 80% commission. That's almost unheard of. And the best part of this 80% commission, most of the people that join this stick with it because the value of the program is so good. So going through that, here's kind of the structure. This kind of was what got me started. Just one sale per week can turn into $74,000 and 800 a year. Two sales, 149. Three sales, 224. For me, well, I already have another business, but if I didn't have another business, this would put me well on my way. This would be exactly what I want. And then at this point, I don't know, it's Teslas and Range Rovers. I don't know. I'm just talking, but it gives you a frame of mind. It gives you something to build on. Like I said, it continues on going through the program. You'll be able to click the links. Once you click the links, it'll take you over to this here sheet, which is important. So you would sign up here, and it explains everything right down here. This is important. Click that. The reason you want to click this is because HBA, the builder, this thing's $25 per month, and it starts in 30 days. So you get 30 days to try this out, and then next you get their premium, and I'm gonna go into these pages that I'm talking about. The premium is you get that for 2 weeks. So I personally would take total advantage of those 2 weeks because you'll more than like what you see, at least in my opinion, and you'll know what you're getting into. So I'm gonna go to here. So the reason I'm showing you this, and most people wouldn't, because they're like, man, he ain't making no money, he don't know what he's talking about. Well, I just started, so I'm fairly new to this particular program, but just starting, it's not bad. I needed something that I know that works. So now I'm going to start putting my full effort into running this thing. And so I'm going to show you one other thing. This is my other business. And like I said, I use a lot of the techniques and things over here, and I started applying it to my business. So this is my email, so you know it's me. A year-end money for 2023. I've been with them since 2008. This was last year, 165,048, 486. This was last year. So I'm putting all of this stuff. So my goal by next year is to make this C2. I want this to be seeing 200 at the end of the year. And it tells you this is my real email. It's telling me how well I'm doing. It's telling you next month's a hot month for me, and they're not lying. Next month heats up. So, but anyway, I'm showing this not to say, you make all this money instantly. I'm showing this to say, hey, it's possible. You just need to start working it. So that's what this is going to be set up for. So we are now flipped over. And like I said, this is a two-part deal. The funnel, and then what you use the funnel for. So this is your area, so you can make side money off of promoting this as an affiliate. And like I said, there's 80% commission in that, and you can make money off of that. Then you also actually use this for something. So I use this for my sports business. I use this for some other affiliate products and different things that I promote and sell. So I use this for what I'm using it for. So first thing you would do is, I'm going to try this little thing out. Yeah, that's my marker. Start here. excuse me, you start here. All right, this is where you want to start. This is our starting point. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna be walking you through this stuff, but you also gonna be reinforced by watching these videos as well on setting up your affiliate program. There's 4 videos here, 2, and then you scroll through here, 3, 3A, 3B, and it's actually like 5 then, I guess. Oh, a little bit more seems to be. Okay, so you'll go through those. It has the checklist of everything to make sure you got everything set up. So you'll go through that. You go through this first. So like I said, I'm gonna be shortcutting some of this stuff, but you want to go through it just so you can get a feel about how everything is going. Okay, now after you went through that, you want to start going through these videos here, the welcome, joining the community, all of that stuff. Buying and it talks about your email, your domains, and different things of that nature. Also your autoresponder, and I'm also going to do a video on everything you need and also the costs that come with running this here. A lot of these types of people, they don't tell you the true cost. So, and I know for a fact I've bought courses that have been $3,000-$4,000 and you don't get the full information. So that's the reason why I decided to go and do this and go through the back end so you can see exactly what you're seeing before you start paying for anything. And by the way, this is not some $2, $3, $4, $5,000 course, not at all. So what you're paying for is what you're actually really using. Then you go through this one, pretty good. This is good, pretty good section. Done for you funnels, and I'm gonna go to the funnels as well. Now here's what I was talking about. This here is its weight and goal. This is just my opinion, because here you can talk to the main people in the community to help you get yourself to the next goal. So they have a section on get ready to prep for traffic. So the one thing about promoting stuff, a lot of times people don't know how to get in front of people. And that's 99% of it. If I can get people to come to my thing, whatever it is, then I can sell it. And now that I'm selling it, now how do I better the conversions to get more sales? That's where you're at. So one section is getting the traffic. The next section is sales. The next section is converting them, my better conversions. So that's what this is about. So they got a bunch of stuff here that you can look through. If you don't have a lot of money or a big budget, you got an entire section on traffic, and I'm also going to be doing some traffic things in this that I use currently that will help you along the way as well. Then if you do have a little cashola, little money, there's some other techniques that they show that they teach you how you can get sales through doing paid ads, and that's always good. And then like I said down here, now we start talking about the conversions. It's all here. Like I can't stress this enough. It's all here. Now let's go ahead and talk about the next part. So during those 2 weeks, like I told you should take full advantage of it. Look, Monday they got a call. Tuesday they got a 9 a.m. call that you can get on every morning. This is every Monday through Friday. And then they have a second one at 11 a.m. that you can get on every day. This is exactly what you need, especially if you're a beginner, because here's where all the hand holding is, because a lot of the beginners or intermediates, there's things that you just don't know or you have a hard time doing. So boom, here it is. That's all the information's there. Let me see here. Got some high value bonuses, different things that you can go through. Let me see, there's a section. This section is new, so I actually need to go through this one myself. The mastermind section, schedule community, just different questions appears to be that you can go through and find out about the program. Core affiliate resources. Once again, there's more information. Like I said, the one thing I could say about this here, it has tons and tons of information. If you can't get online and start making sales from this program here, I don't know what you can do. Like, it's here. It's all you got to do is follow the blueprint and go from there. Like, it's all here. So I'm gonna go and talk about the funnel. Now, when I talk about funnels, these are all of the things. They like have tons of done for you funnels. There's just tons of them here. Tons. You go through them. You just have at it. Pick one. It depends on what you're setting your business up for, but there's tons of them. And even if what you're looking for is not there, you can go in here and find out the information you need. Like, this is what a funnel looks like. It's pre-done. This looks pretty cool. I'm just now seeing this one. Somebody's using this to build out their business. See another one. Put giveaways. Hey, there's mine right here. So, but needless to say, everything that you need for building your business is right here. It's all right here. So not only that you can find your business here, but you can use this to grow. Like, those link tree things that some of these people have. Here's a really cool one. Let me look at this one. You can build your format of your program already. This is a really nice one, and your opt-in forms right here. So like I said, this is what you can do with the program. Hopefully you like it. Like I said, hit that like and share button. I will see you on the next one. See you later.